Proyecto.com.
The new Bobcat that we're trying out right now is, if you take an older model Bobcat and put it against this new one, the new one is quieter. It's a very smooth welding rod machine. You set your heat, you don't have your heat doesn't fluctuate, it's very steady. With the Bobcat 250, when you plug in or you strike an arc, when it arcs up, really by OSHA codes, after a certain decimal you have to have earplugs, ear protection. With this newer welder now, I believe it's below the decimal for noise, that you really wouldn't have to have earplugs. Well, the size of the machine means a lot. When I go from job to job, they all go in the back of my truck. Once in a while it can be very compact back there with all your welding material. I've had on the back of my pickup truck right now, when I came down here, I had both welders on the back of my truck, and I had room to put one more on yet. To do the general maintenance on these welders are so easy. There's a top panel, you open up that top panel, is obviously there's where you check the oil. There's an air cleaner there. It's so easy accessible to look at your air cleaner and see if it's dirty or clean. You open up the side panel, and if you want to change the oil, it's all right there. You don't need wrenches to take panels apart or nothing. It's very accessible. The advantage of having a Miller welder on a job site is the easy accessibility to them. You can pull them. They're very lightweight. They're compact. You can pull them around real easy. They've got lifting lugs on if you need to lift it. It's accessible, real accessible to use them. Very seldom do you ever got to add oil. It's a very reliable machine. Like I said, the fuel savings is a big one. So you fill and fuel up every 2 or 3 days. Depends on the hours that you have it on. It's a big thing.
Proyecto.com